Hello, Judy. Just wanted to really quickly go over your current website and give you some tips for how you can start ranking for new locations, as well as your new services that you're going to be offering in the near future. And also just wanted to show you kind of what the status is of your current website. So I really like your website. You've done a really good job just for doing it all on your own. Like you have artist profiles and you have all the content really well laid out. The only thing that it's good for your purposes now, but it doesn't have very much content. Because how Google works is it has bots that go on the website and it reads the words and indexes them. And it puts them in its index, and then it knows what your website is about based off of the content and the words in the website. So usually, in order to rank on Google, you're going to need to have really specific keywords in the content. For example, if eyelash extensions Pittsburgh, PA, if you have that word, those words on your website, then Google will know you're about that topic and it will rank you for that specific search. So when I looked at your website, I saw that Google doesn't really know what your website is about. You're only indexed for these 5 keywords currently. Eyelash extensions PA, which actually is a good keyword. Spray tan Butler PA, Expressions Lash Studio, and Welcome to Lash. And you're not really ranking on any of them. So this is the current volume. Around 50 people a month are searching eyelash extensions PA. The keyword difficulty, that's how much competition it is. It's a 0 to 100 scale. It's currently a 0. So it's super easy to rank for. But you're currently position number 45. And so not ranking very well. Yeah, 0 organic traffic currently. I think you are getting people to come to your website though through the Google My Business listing, because you are ranking for eyelash extensions Butler PA, Lash Expressions. It looks like there's only 3 competitors here in Butler, but you're ranked number 1 out of the 3. Probably because you have the word lash in your name, so when I search eyelash, it ranked you really well. And you have a lot of reviews, so that's really good. So yeah, ranking the Google My Business listing is really important for local results, but it's not going to help you as much for if you want to rank for the entire state. You're going to need to do a lot more SEO on your website itself. Right now it looks like most of your traffic is coming from your Google My Business listing. So you've done a really good job adding photos. You want to continually update photos. That will help you rank, keep your business listing ranking. You'll also want to make sure that you have all the right categories. Right now your category is beauty salon. I don't know what other options there are. We can check what your competition is doing. See if they have any other hair salon, cosmetic store. Maybe cosmetic store. You could also add that to your Google My Business listing category. There's lots and lots of categories, and Google's constantly making new ones, so you can always go through Google My Business business categories and find all of them that apply to your business and add them, because that will help people be able to find you. I don't think there's any eyelash specific ones though. Eye care, yeah, it's more for like blind people, I think. Beauty product supplier, beauty products wholesaler. Yeah, you could even become a wholesaler because that's what your goal is. Beauty salon, beauty school. You're also going to become beauty school, beauty supply store. So yeah, you could add all of these categories to your business listing, and that will help you rank for those additional topics. The other thing that is really important for ranking in the map pack is something called citations. Citation is it's a business listing. It's all of these directories. Anytime you make a profile for your business, such as Facebook, or listed on Angie's List or Yellow Pages, that's considered a citation. And the more citations you have, the better your business will rank in the map pack. There's even some that are specific to Pittsburgh, local citations, like downtownpittsburgh.com is a place to list them. There's also industry-specific citations, so you could find industry beauty schools or beauty citation directories and get listed on all of those. That will also help you increase your rankings of both your website and your Google business listing. As far as adding the new products and new locations goes, when I looked into your competition, I searched what was it? Lash Extensions, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and the top person is Luxurious Lashes. It's this person. They have a pretty basic website, and I put them in my tool, and it looks like they have on average 63 organic traffic a month. So not a ton, but it's good enough to have a consistent flow of customers. And it looks like there's actually some pretty decent keywords to rank for. Eyelash Extension Pittsburgh gets 200 searches every month. This person is only ranked number 4, so if we could outrank even whoever's number first, looks like Yelp. We can outrank Yelp and Groupon. It's no problem. Those are national. It's easier to rank if you're a local business to outrank those kind of national ones. But anyway, so we want to put Eyelash Extensions Pittsburgh, Eyelash Extensions Pittsburgh, PA, all of these things in your content. And some of them, like some of these longer keywords are pretty hard to work in the content naturally. And so what you can do is you can save your images as those specific keywords. Instead of having this random date, you could have a specific keyword you're trying to rank for. And Google will read that and know what it's about. Anyways, so that's basically how SEO works. We definitely could help. I can help you rank for both Pittsburgh and Butler for all of the services you have listed. I think I wrote them down earlier. There's also some good search results, the search volume for tanning. I know you do spray tanning, but even in Butler, tanning salons, Butler, PA, 40 searches a month, 0 keyword difficulty. There was also even one in Cranberry, 40 search volume, 0 keyword difficulty. So the higher the search volume is, the easier it is for me to rank and get you results. The really small towns like Butler or Cranberry, there's not very much search volume because there's not very many people searching for those services. And so those areas, it's really important to having a good Google My Business listing. For the bigger cities, it's really important to have the website. If you do end up opening a new location though, say in Cranberry, we can create another Google My Business listing. Every address that you have for your business, you can create another Google My Business listing, which will help you get local traffic to your business. Yeah. When I audited it earlier, it looked like your second page ranked number 34 on your Google My Business listing when I looked up beauty salon Pittsburgh, something like that. As far as lash extensions go, if you wanted to try to rank nationally, that's a lot more expensive. The starting budget would be around $900 to $1,200 to try to rank nationally. I don't really recommend doing that. It's cheaper to just try to sell it on Amazon. But as far as ranking locally in your state, I can definitely help with that for a lot cheaper. Just adding more content, adding those backlinks, which I might not have talked about yet. Backlinks. Let's get to that next. Sorry, I've been talking a lot today. So the next part after you get the right keywords and content on your website is creating backlinks. So you currently don't have any really good backlinks. Yeah, you have 0 do follow backlinks. See? So that's not very good, which is why you're not really ranking very well. A backlink is pretty much your website being listed on another website's page. So let's check out your competitors. They don't have that many backlinks either. They only have 6 do follow backlinks. So that's really easy to outrank. No wonder they're not doing very good. So we go and we can copy all of these backlinks that they have and get your website listed on them as well. Some of them are directories or citations. If you write a blog post about how to put on eyelashes and then somebody else references to your blog post and leaves your link, then that becomes a backlink. And Google values those a lot because it means that if other people are referencing you and quoting you, that means that you have really good content, you're a good source, people want to read your stuff, and so it will rank you higher in the search results. So that's kind of the SEO 101. Let me know what you think after you watch the video, and I'll try to help you out any way I can.